Hi kids, colors. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name. Green, pink, brown, pink, violet, black, sky blue, light green, yellow, orange, blue, and red color A. Kids, we are tracing letter A with sky blue color. A, alphabet A. Kids, now we will trace letter B with red color B. Now kids, we are tracing letter C for cat. C. Now kids, we are tracing letter D for dog. Kids, we will trace letter E for elephant. Now kids, we will trace letter F for frog. G. Kids, we are tracing letter G for giraffe. H. Kids, we are tracing letter H I. Kids, we are tracing letter I. This is letter J. Now kids, we are tracing letter K. Kids, this is letter L. Now kids, we will trace letter M. This is letter M. Kids, now we are tracing letter N. This is letter N. O. Kids, this is letter O. P. Kids, we are tracing letter P. This is letter P. Q. Kids, we are tracing letter Q. R. Kids, this is letter R. Kids, now we are tracing letter S. This is letter S. T. Kids, we are tracing letter T. This is letter T. U. Kids, we are tracing letter U. This is letter U. V. Kids, we are tracing letter V. This is letter V. W. Kids, we are tracing letter W. X. Kids, we are tracing letter X. This is letter X. Now we will trace letter Y. This is letter Y. Now kids, we will trace letter Z. This is letter Z. This is letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.